Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: Apple's upcoming iPhone 16 series. This year, Apple is set to release not just 4 models, but a hopping 8 different iPhone 16 variations. Let's break down what this means for consumers, especially with the major changes coming for users in Europe versus those in the United States. First up, let's take a look at the iPhone 16 lineup. Nominally, we have the iPhone 16, the iPhone 16 Plus, the iPhone 16 Pro, and the iPhone 16 Pro Max. All of these models will be powered by Apple's new 18 or A18 Pro chipsets and will feature at least 8 gigabytes of RAM. This is crucial for running Apple's new AI initiative, dubbed Apple Intelligence. On the surface, it sounds like a standard upgrade, but here's where it gets interesting. Instead of just 4 models, Apple is introducing 8 distinct versions of the iPhone 16. This fragmentation will be evident not only in hardware, but also in software and features. Now let's talk about the differences between the iPhone 16 models available in the US and Europe. For European users, there's going to be a version of the iPhone 16 that doesn't even include the App Store. Yes, you heard that right. This version will be available only in the EU, thanks to new regulations stemming from the Digital Market Act. With the upcoming iOS 18 update, European customers will have unprecedented control over their devices. They'll be able to customize their iOS experience by removing default apps like Safari, Mail, and even the App Store itself, replacing them with third-party alternatives. Imagine using Chrome instead of Safari or Outstore instead of the App Store. This means that while a US user enjoys the familiar Apple ecosystem, a European user can tailor their device to fit their preferences. They'll even have new default settings for various functions like dialing, messaging, and navigation. This level of customization is groundbreaking and will make the European iPhone 16 feel like a completely different device compared to its American counterpart. Now let's discuss Apple Intelligence. While US users will have access to AI-powered features like typing to Siri, smart messaging replies, and even advanced photo editing tools, European users will miss out entirely on these functionalities. Apple has cited security compromises as the reason for withholding these features in Europe. So, while an iPhone 16 bought in the US will be packed with AI capabilities, the European model will lack even a hint of this technology. At first glance, it may seem like all iPhone 16 models are the same, but once you start using them, the differences become clear. This year, Apple is essentially launching not 4, but 8 different iPhones, each tailored to specific markets with varying features and functionalities. This fragmentation trend is significant and could lead to confusion among consumers. As Apple continues to navigate these regulatory challenges, it raises questions about how they will manage their ecosystem moving forward. So what does all this mean for you, the consumer? Apple is not just releasing a new iPhone, they are essentially creating a more fragmented ecosystem. With 8 different models, some with vastly different features depending on where you live, it's crucial to understand what you're getting when you purchase an iPhone 16. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the new customization options in Europe, or do you feel left out if you're in the EU? And for our US viewers, how do you feel about having exclusive access to Apple Intelligence features? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video informative, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech news and updates. We'll be keeping a close eye on how these changes impact the iPhone franchise and a broader tech landscape. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tech savvy.